What's up, everyone? Quick review today of a hosting platform called Hostzy that could save you tons on web hosting costs. If you're tired of monthly fees from big hosting companies and want something simpler and cheaper, this might be for you. Hostzy lets you host unlimited websites and domains for a one-time payment with no recurring fees. It's built on cPanel, gives you unlimited bandwidth, free SSL, daily backups, strong security protection, and it's super easy to use, even if you're just starting out. Setup is as easy as logging in, entering your domain, and installing WordPress with one click. No complicated tech skills needed. It's perfect for bloggers, entrepreneurs, agencies, and anyone who wants quality hosting without the recurring costs. If you want to ditch expensive hosting and keep more money in your pocket while still getting solid performance and security, check out Hostzy using the link in the description. Go see the offer now.